Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel A1 Cryptography. And things I do here, I make videos on cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, and if this and how-to videos as well as reviews on platforms, etc, etc. If this looks like content that you'll be very much interested in and you're game for it, kindly subscribe to my channel and follow me along the journey. Without saying much, I'm just gonna hop right into it. So guys, today I'm going to be making a video about trust wallets, and I'm going to be doing a full tutorial on how you can create a wallet, fund your wallet, and withdraw from your wallet, and as well as use DA apps, which is decentralized applications on the platform. So I'm just gonna click this app. Remember to first you need to download your trust wallet from the Google Play Store, and once you've done that, you're gonna have to open the app. Once you've done that, this is what is going to look like. This is the first page that is going to pop up once you've launched your trust wallet application. You have to click the create new wallet at the bottom right here, and now you have to create a passcode. Once you've created the passcode, it's going to bring you back to this very front and this very page. And once you've done that, you will now have to click here. You have to tick all this right here to ensure that you completely understand what you're doing. And once you've done all that, you click the continue icon. Now this is your secret phrase. You don't share this with anybody. I'm only letting this show for the sake of this video. I do not wish to use this wallet, so I'm just going to copy that and click on continue. With that being said, what I have to do is pick it according to the order that it was being listed. Once you have that aligned, you click the done button and your wallet is being created, and voila, we've created our first by now you should have created your first trust wallet. So you have to now, I'm going to right here at the interface, this is for notifications where you get news and alerts on tokens that you set price alerts. Here if you do wish to add a custom token, and here if you do wish to send, receive, buy, and swap. But let's start by simply going to adding a custom token. You can do that at the bottom here, or you can do that at the top here. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to just show you how you can add the Polygon token. So guys, if you click on this, you can take the one at the bottom or the one at the top. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and search for it. I'm just going to click Polygon. You see it here, you can click it and come back to see that it's turned on and you can view it in your wallet. I'm just gonna look for a less popular coin. Let me check Arbitrum. Oh, Arbitrum is here as well on the ETH network. You can see here, and on the Arbi1 network. They're both here. But just in case the coin, if it's a new coin that launched and you do not find the coin there, you can go to get it from the Telegram group, from the dev, or from CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. Search it, you're going to see where the contract address is placed. Copy it and come right here. You can just paste it there. Okay, I'm just going to run a quick follow-up on this. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to add a custom token like space ID, which is right here, or core as well. Okay, I'm just going to pick core. Once I've touched that, we are going to scroll down, and okay, there's no CA on core. I'm going to check space ID. I'm trying to teach you how you can get CAs using the CoinGecko. Hold on guys, what's up? Oh, okay, this is the contract address of SDEX. So you can come here and pick up the contract address. Once you click that, you usually see it after the daily percentage run, and you see right there that says contract address. Once I pick that up and come to my trust wallet, And once I've done that and I wish to add it, I'll come at the top here and I'm going to click that and paste this contract address. If it doesn't show, then I have to add custom token. When I do that, I choose as because it's on Ethereum network. If it's on any other network, BSC, Polygon, etc., you come here at network and click it and select whichever network you wish to add the token on. So guys, since it's already on Ethereum network, I'm going to click paste, and everything, the symbol, the decimals, and the name is going to pop out. I'm going to click done at the top, and when I'm done, I'm going to click done, and we're in. You've imported your token from and if you do have received tokens to this wallet, it's going to show right here. So we're gonna come right. I'm gonna show you how you can send and receive token, because I'm done showing you how to import tokens. So you come right here at send. Once you've clicked it, you now want to send current cryptocurrency. I'm going to just choose BTC for the sake that we don't have any BTC in our wallet. If we go in here, we can also click the token we wish to send, and once we see it there, we can click on the send icon. Once you see it, you're gonna have to paste a recipient address where you want your coin to be sent to. Once you've pasted it and you add the amount, maybe 1 or 2 BTC, once you're done, you send it through, and the gas fee, once you're done with that, maybe add 2 or 3, and you click on continue at the top, you're gonna you'll be shown. And remember as well that Trust Wallet does not let you send to any other address other than the address on the network or the token that you're sending to. That's the beautiful thing about it. But if this was a Bitcoin address, it would have gone through to continue, and I'll be showing the coin, the gas fee that I'll be charged to make this transaction, as well as the time for the recipients to receive it. Right here at this top, next to the buy icon, is the charts of the Bitcoin movement for the daily time frame, the 1 hour time frame, 1 month time frame, 1 year, and all of that. And then right here you can see price alerts. You get to set price alerts, and you can see a little recap of what Bitcoin, the address, the explorer, the market cap, 24-hour volume, circulating supply, total supply, and you can also view this on CoinMarketCap for better clarification and better understanding. So that's it for sending. And if you do wish to receive, you come over here and you're going to click receive. Once you've done that, you can either send this receive BTC, this QR code, or you can copy this address and send it to the person that wants to send the Bitcoin for you. So that's about receiving. If you do wish to swap, maybe from Bitcoin to USDT, if you've received your coins and you want to keep them on stable, you don't want it to be on Bitcoin because of the price movement and volatility, you want it to be on stable coins such as a dollar pegged coin. You can choose, maybe you can choose to pay Ethereum, but for the sake of this video we are using Bitcoin. So okay, let's use BNB for the pay, and we're just going to choose sorry, let me just search it. Yes, I will receive USDT. So if I had BNB, I can choose 1 BNB and I'll have to receive 310 USDT. That's if I want to keep my coin on stables. I can as well search for Bitcoin here. So guys, back to what we were saying. Once you've imputed the amount you wish to swap, you click ahead and click swap. But since there's no asset in this wallet, it wouldn't go through. You pay gas fee and you swap as well. So I'm just going to take you, since we're done with receiving, swapping, and adding, importing token and sending out tokens, I'm going to head to the discover button. And if you do wish to buy your first if you do wish to buy your first crypto, you can go to the buy option, and then some merchants that trade these coins at the best rate, it's going to pop up. You choose the amount you usually want to. Usually the minimum is $150, and but if you go over here, you can choose your provider, that's your merchant, and then you can search or go through it and pick the one that best suits you, and then you can purchase your first crypto. I'm gonna go over to the discover icon where you get to see what tokens and what category tokens are making moves. For the staking, right here. For the DeFi tokens, right here. For borrowing, for smart chain BSC, for DeFi as well, and etc, etc. Without saying much, I'm just going to take you to the browser. Here, this is where you get to browse dApps. You understand? This is where you get to connect to your PancakeSwap and all of that. So what is a dApp? A dApp is a decentralized application where, that enables you to make use of other platforms like the PancakeSwap. You must have heard very much about PancakeSwap. If you get into the PancakeSwap dApp, you can connect it to your wallet, make swaps, buy your coins if you have a stable coin, or use or sell your coins back to stable coins as well on the BSC network. So I'm just going to head over to the settings right here to show you a little more about it. Right here you can switch from dark mode to light mode. Here you can see the price alerts. I don't have any set, but if I have any setup, you see it right here. So you can see my preferences and all of that. Now the beautiful thing about this is that you can get push notifications. You can turn off everything if you don't want it to bug you. You can follow them on their Twitter, their Telegram, their Facebook, their Reddit. Sorry about that, guys. So you can follow them on their Twitter. I'm just gonna head over to their Twitter to see how strong their following is. I do not wish to extend it anything more than 15 minutes. So you can see they have over 2.5 million followers, and this is a multi-chain crypto wallet, supports 70-50 blockchains and 10 million tokens, store and NFTs. You can earn crypto, you can stake on trust wallets. You literally can do a lot of DeFi activities on trust wallets. So that will be that for the social. You can check out their Telegram, their YouTube, and their Reddit as well. For security, if you wish to add security to your wallet, you can go ahead here and set the passcode if you do wish to. Then you can set auto lock, the number of the time gap you wish it to lock if it's not active, and what have you. So guys, if we head back to our wallet, you can see that if you do have NFTs or that have been sent to your wallet on any chain, you can come over here and you can either receive or you open on OpenSea, which of course is the most popular NFT platform, and you can then see it listed here. So guys, without saying much, that will be that for our videos. And if you do wish to add an extra wallet, maybe you want to keep a separate wallet for your stables, a separate wallet for your non-stables, you come over here at the settings, you come to wallets at the first one, and then you click the plus icon at the top, and then you have to go over the same process again to create a wallet, and then you rename it. For the sake of this wallet, I'm going to click this icon because I want to rename this wallet tutorial wallet. So once I do this, I'm just going to clear it up and drag that, and I'm going to click done. So guys, if you enjoyed this video and wish to get more DeFi related videos, kindly join my channel and check out my notifications, and also check out the status, check out my reviews, check out my other videos. There are a lot of packed information there, and you can also check down in the description for my socials if you do wish to stay close and grow along with me. See you in my next video.